Yikes. You guys are super strong. Okay, there we go. Now we can take him out. Where'd he go? Are you kidding me? He attacks somewhat like me. So you're saying he attacks like I attack like a bucket of bolts? That's messed up.
I think it's a puzzle.
Like Simon
Yep.
says?
I think we need to follow the correct sequence to unlock some.
Simon says. Okay, sorry.
It's time for our buddy bot. He's amazing.
I think he can do
Right.
this. Let's try.
What's he doing? Wow, he just blows himself up. Okay,
The force field's down.
that's pretty cool.
Shut it down.
And we've alerted some new enemies. Yay! Alright.
A little more careful in the future.
Oh, I can homing attack on the flying enemies. Yes! Okay, that helps out a lot. That helps out so much because these enemies are annoying as balls. Get out. Great.